Umentri rang ba ka jalaw konor ki sang ma ka lai poi trik lo ber aja arpuar ulapan pa ba ka Sorkar jala kanam pelena e yakampor Hynriew kan ya chakmat ban yakren ban Iapynbeit yu puru sam jaki Jaka Kiba sa ban Iapynbeit bar ka jala asam ukonor ulong ba ka Sorkar kami kan ruit biang yu puru sam jang baro artali ki jala hadian ke jingle jure blang bar ka Survey of India.
First step for this process is the two states to agree. So we worked very hard to make sure that the two states agree on a stand. The second step is to take it to the level of the national government, where we share our conclusion and whatever we have agreed on with the central government, and that's what happened this time. So that now the central government is also aware of what we have done. Ultimate stamp for this is not between two states or the government, it is the Parliament of India that is going to put a stamp on this. So based on the surveys now that will be conducted, this is very, very important to understand that we have now identified the villages and the rough areas which should be in Meghalaya and the villages in the rough areas which should be in Assam. Now we have to actually go down to the actual tree or the particular house or the particular road which should be on Meghalaya side and which should be on Assam sides, means micro details. And this is where Survey of India will come in, and they have been asked to coordinate with both the state governments and do joint surveys, not to do surveys individually. It has to be joint survey, and that process, once it's complete, and when the second phase of course also is complete with this joint survey, then we expect Government of India to put up a bill to reorganize the or redraw the borders, and that bill then will be put up in Parliament, and that will be the final stamp on it. So it is still a process that will take some time to work on, but what is important is that this process has finally started, and I keep maintaining that there are 2-3 things that a lot of people must understand.